Hello everyone. Today's a special day because today is the day that my Redline changes. I'll have 500 miles on the car finally. I've been driving to get to my test strip over 100 miles, so you can see everything is quite warm, including the tires. So I'm gonna go up here to sport mode and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're on sport mode. I normally have been driving most of the time in manual mode, but for this I don't want to think about shifting, so I've just got it in sport mode. And you can see the red line right now is 4,500. And at 500 miles, that changes. Now, it's not a hard restriction. You can actually go over 4,500 RPMs even before the red line change. In fact, let me just show that to you by downshifting. I can downshift even in manual mode just by pulling the minus paddle, and it will temporarily go. I can downshift in auto mode, it will temporarily go into manual mode. So let me just show you revs over 4,500 just to prove my point. See what I'm saying? Okay, so I've got a little ways to go before it hits 500, and I'm gonna get onto my test track, and I will do a edit right here. I'll do a transition right here, probably one of my abrupt transitions, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now, I don't know if it's going to change right at 500 miles. If I remember correctly, with my Stingray, it took a little bit after, well, no, my Stingray changed at 500, but not everybody's did. So I don't really know what's going to happen here. Might have to drive for a minute. Might even have to do a U-turn if I run out of road. But we'll just play it by ear. And 500 miles is coming up very quickly. And we're looking for the red line change on the tachometer. There it is. I'm going to shut up. There you go. Farewell until next time.